Hello friends, welcome back. Welcome to this tutorial. In this session, we are going to learn all SQL join types. What all are join types they are in the SQL. So please watch this video till the end. You will gain lots of things about the joins. And first time you have come to this channel, please subscribe my channel, YouTube channel. So first we'll see the basic how can be the basic SQL query. So it's about querying from two table. Let's say we have a table 1 and table 2. So if you want to individually retrieve the data from all these two table, so what you will do, select the star from table 1, it will give you the data from table 1. Star from Select star from table 2, it will retrieve you the data from table 2. So this is just a table 1, table 2. I'm going to take the same example for all the subsequent join query. So I will be taking the same example. So in a table 1, we have a foreign key. It's a ID only, name, country. In a table 2, we have ID, language, and department. So while executing this query, you will get these two tables. So this is the simple query from giving a data from two tables, right? Let's move ahead. So second is the inner join. So if you see this diagram, so inner join joins the query two or more than two table where it retrieves the data from two table which have a common data or common ID, right? So if you see the table 1 and table 2, this is intersecting. So what are all data available in a table 1 and table 2? This inner join will give the data. So select star from table T1, inner join table T2 on this column T1.fk foreign key, okay, and T2.id. So it will give you the data which are common in both the table. So if you see here 102, 103, 104, 105 and 102, 103, 6, 7. So in this table, do table, only these things are common, right? So which are things are common? So if you see here this 101, 102, 103, and in this table 101, 102, 103, these two row data are common. So it will retrieve you the data from this two table, like foreign key, name, country will be there, language department from this table, and it will retrieve the data from 101, 102, 103 rows. So this will be the result, right, with all the required data. So this is the inner join. This is also a very important query. Let's move ahead. Left outer join. So left outer join, if you want to understand better, see this intersection. So left outer join retrieves all the data from the table 1 and the data from table 2 which are common in table 1. Okay, so it will give you the data from table 1 as well as table 2 which are same in table 1 for that particular ID. Right, so this is the query we'll be writing. Select star from table T1, left outer join table T2 on this column. Okay, so if you joining these two tables, so obviously this table 1, table 2, all column will be retrieved, but data will be all there for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 101 from till 105. If you see here 105, and it will include all these, but if you see the 104, 105 is not present, okay, in table 2, right? But it gives you the row from table 1 because this is a left outer join, but for the table 2 this value will be null, right? So this is the left outer join. It will retrieve you the data from all the data from table 1 and the common data in a table 2. Okay, let's move ahead. So the other is right outer join. So this is same like a left outer join. So in this case, right outer join, we have a two table, table 1 and a table 2. Okay, if you see this diagram, uh, uh, where it's intersecting, it means it will retrieve all the data from the table 2 which are in the right side, and the data which are also, or the column which are also column data which are also present in the table 1, right? So I am not giving you the result. This is the exercise for you to do that, but by this pick you should be able to understand what is the right outer join and how we need to write a syntax over here, okay, on this key. So it will give you all the data of table 2 and the data which are matching in a table 1. Let's move ahead. Semi join. So semi join, it's you can say this is similar to the inner join but with less duplication. So if you have a two table, table 1 and table 2, so all the data which are common in both table 1 and the table 2, which I am putting all the data which are common, means if the data present in this column and this column are same, and this will be drawn over here, right? If you see here, this will be here, intersection point will be here, right? So all the data which are falling under this category will be retrieved using this semi join. And to use the semi join, we use the exist keyword here, right? We use the exist keyword. Again, you can put the exist keyword, right? So with this less duplication, we can use the semi join to retrieve the data from two table or more than two table which have a common data on that particular key. Let's move anti semi join. So what it does, okay, it will give you the data. If you see here in the table 1 and the table 2, so anti semi join will give you the data from all the data from table 1 which should not present in a table 2. So how will you use this anti-semi join? Using not exist keyword. So select star from table 1 where not exist in a table 2. Okay, so only table 1 data which are present in a table 1, not present in a table 2, should give you the result of anti-semi join, which also say not exist data in a table 2. So this is the query. You can find out the result. I am not explaining the result also for all the query data because it will take some time and will be too long. Let's move ahead. The next is left outer join with exclusion, right? What does it mean? It means it is a data which will give you from the table 1 which are not present in a table 2. And how will you execute that? Using the left outer join. This is the one you should be finding out, right? Using the left outer join. So this will give you the data from the table 1 and the data that should not be the part of table 2. Next, go to the next. Next is right outer join with exclusion. So right outer join with exclusion, if you have a two table, table 1 and the table 2, so it will give you all the data from the right table which is currently table 2, and that data of that column should not present in a table 1. So with this example, okay, we can see. So how you are achieving this? Using this where clause. In a right outer join, this was not there, only this was there, right? On table, on which column you want to get the right outer join. And if you put this query, this will be the exclusion of table 1 data. Next is full outer join. If you see this picture, full outer join means all the data from table 1 and the table 2 will you get the data. How will you execute this query? So first you will take all the data from this table using the left outer join. Then you will take the data from this table, table 2, using the right outer join. and the main query will be executed here, that is union. So we will put union here to get a full outer join, means the left outer join plus right outer joins union is called full outer join. So you will get the data from both the table without any condition. Okay, let's go to the next. Full outer join with exclusion means, if you see this pictorial diagram, full outer join means the data from the table 1 and the table 2 which should not be present with each other is called the full outer join. Let's say this example. So 101 is present here, is present here. So it will not be considered as a full outer join exclusion. This will not consider because this is here also. 103 is here also. If you were to see here 105 and this 105, 105 and 106 and 107, both data are not present in their table. So this will be the outcome or the result of the full outer join with exclusion with this condition, right? And how will you achieving this? With the same, you will take the both left outer join and the right outer join with union, and what extra query you are executing, this one where t2.id is not null and where t2.id is not null. So this will exclusion of the data which are common in both the table. Okay, let's move. Now how will you use the two inner join? So far we have been performing an operation on the two table, but if you see here, we have a table 1, we have a table 2, and we have a table 3. So if you draw a diagram like this, so two inner join will give you the data which are common in a table 1, table 2, and table 3. So I am repeating in when I am saying the common data in all these three tables means common data will represent on this particular row on the particular key. So this one, right? FK ID, and this is table 3. So all the data which are common in table 1, table 2, table 3 will be the result of a two inner join. And how will you achieve that? By using this. So first you will apply a inner join, okay, on the particular column which will give you all the data. Therefore again we will provide the inner join on that result on table 3, which will give the result by applying the query on the table 3 का foreign key and the table 3 का ID. So this will give you the result our data. Okay. Now the next is two left inner join. So this is the same. If you see this diagram to understand better, if you see you have data of table 1, table 2 and table 3, it means all the data of table 1 plus the data which are common in table 2 and the table 3 will be retrieved with two left inner join. So how will you do that? So first we will apply the left outer join on a table 2 with table 1 like this. Okay, so from here to here, if you see, from here to here, if you see, from here to here, I am applying a inner join on the two table, and thereafter I am applying the left outer join, okay, on the table 3, right? So this resultant data will apply on this query. So this is the inner join and left outer join jointly we are using. So thanks guys, this was all about the join query, SQL join query. So hopefully this has helped you to understand all kind of join query that you can use in a query, and effectively you can write and optimize the query. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So thanks for watching. See you in the next step. Bye bye.